Do not make these simple mistakes when uploading YouTube Shorts. Short form videos are now essentially their own separate platform within YouTube. So, stop using Shorts videos as trailers for your main content. When viewers are scrolling through the Shorts feed, they are trying to enjoy that specific style of short form content. They don't really want to click off and watch your longer videos, and they definitely don't want to look at your website. A huge mistake that I see a lot of small creators make is that they purely use Shorts as a call to action, when in fact, if the algorithm sees people click off your short and leave YouTube, that won't be good for your channel. You need to make sure that your shorts are enjoyable as their own piece of content. And chances are, if your short is really good and people watch them, your main content will get recommended by YouTube as well. But saying that, it's also a huge mistake to only make shorts from scratch. By all means, you should use the quality videos that you already have, but try to make all of the adjustments to make it work on this new platform. They need to have a beginning, middle, and end while also delivering value in their own right. Now, one thing that everybody needs to know about the Shorts platform is that a large percentage of people actually watch these videos on mute. So it's a huge mistake not to add any subtitles. In fact, if you post shorts without subtitles, you could be losing about half of your potential audience. You can add subtitles manually within your editing software, but for more professional looking results, I use Veed. By uploading my short and using the auto subtitles feature, Veed listens to all of the audio in my video, transcribes it into text, and adds subtitles directly onto my footage. It's a really simple process that makes your shorts more watchable for more people. Now, every creator knows that you should add keywords to your regular uploads to help them rank in search results. But I see a lot of people skip this step when it comes to shorts. So, get ahead of them. Much like long-form content, shorts can also rank in search results. They can also be recommended next to similar content as well. By opening up your YouTube dashboard on desktop, you get access to a lot more metadata options than you do on mobile. So by doing your keyword research and making sure your shorts rank in search results is a great way to explode your channel growth. While we're inside the YouTube dashboard, we can open up the analytics. And not looking at the information in this area is detrimental to growing your shorts channel. For example, the retention graphs for each video can tell you exactly where your content is succeeding and failing. If your graph is tailing off towards the end, that means the second half of your video is not so engaging. So when it comes to making your next video, you can start to make some changes. You could speak a little bit faster, you can make a different style of edit. Honestly, whatever your analytics are telling you, you should listen to. Even if your shorts are just clips from an interview or a podcast, you always need to make sure that the content is dynamic. Some shorts content is just too slow to do really well, but you can fix this. Back on Veed, you can use the auto silence remover to remove any pauses or breaks within your footage. You can also add relevant stock footage over the top of your videos. And remember, attention spans when it comes to short form content are short. So you need to do whatever you can to keep your audience engaged when it comes to your editing. Now, if you want even more detailed tips for making the best YouTube shorts, you need to check out this video next, and I'll see you guys in the next one.